In a tiny home where the soft lights glow lives Eddie the cat, the star of the show.
Look at you, Eddie. What are you, king of the pillows? What are you sitting up there for, huh? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. I'm Anne. This is Eddie. He normally sits here with me in the intros lately, but this morning I cannot get him out of bed. He wants his sleep in, so we're just going to leave him be. He might wake up soon and become nosy and join us later, who knows. Anyway, this morning I want to work on organizing this corner here that you cannot see. I'll show you in a minute, but see this whiteboard here that I painted? I had a viewer suggest that I paint the back of it so it looks better from the other side. I actually did that, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then I had another couple of viewers suggest that I get a second one and put it beside it. So that's what I did, guys. I painted this other one over the last couple of days, but there's no need to show you all what I did because I showed you with that one, right? This is the front of it here. It's exactly the same size. I'm going to put it beside it. What I love about these is it's quite big and it's only $15. I seen a white one for $50 and it was smaller from I can't remember where from, but this one's from Kmart and it's only 15, not 50. So for $30, I got two when you could get a smaller one, just one for $50. All I did was use the leftover renovation paints to paint this, so it didn't cost me any extra money. Officeworks, that's where that $50 one was. It's from Officeworks. That's in Australia. I'm not sure if Officeworks are in other countries. So this is what the corner looks like now. I ended up taking the guitar hangers off of there because it's going to get in the way of the second whiteboard. And I decided to just pull out the stands. The other guitar's just behind me at the moment, but yeah. And this is what it looks like from this side. See, it looks so much better now that it's painted white because before it was kind of like a dark version of that color, like a dark tone. It's brightened up this corner a lot, but I actually have a few things here that I want to organize, which I'll show you as I go. First job is to hang the whiteboard. This is what comes with it. I only need those silver bracket things. There's 2 screws, 2 wall plugs, and a heap of corkboard pins. The screws that came with it is too long, so I'm going to use my own. That way it doesn't go right through the pine here. Okay, I should probably move this guitar. Now to mark where I actually want to hang those bracket things. We just guess. If I remember correctly, I think I put it just on the very edge, so I don't really need to measure how I'm going to do it. I believe it's like that. Yes. For some reason I thought I had 2 holes. It's only got 1. So 1 screw per bracket, which is great. All right, now to hang it. The exciting part. Look, now you can't see the clutter behind it. It looks so much better. It's having problems going down because the paint that is in that groove at the back, but we shall just break that seal of paint, right? Push it down like so. Ta-da! I'm not sure what I can hang on there. Maybe I'll just hang more similar stuff like that. Maybe I'll make some more paper crafts as well to make it look pretty. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's one job down. And from this side, it looks so much neater. I'm almost tempted to put a bit of timber there. I'm not sure. But maybe I'll even put a bit of timber covering that bit there just so I can screw things into it for extra storage solutions, I guess. A couple of storage ideas I did put up here, I don't know, about a week ago, which I didn't show you guys yet, are these things. So they just screw in like that. I put them here for hats and I put one up here as well. Let me put my hats on and I'll show you. That's it there. So this corner is like my getting ready corner. Now it's easy to access, you know, stuff I wear often. These are all my caps here. And yeah, I mean, I don't wear this often, but it just gets squashed in the wardrobe, as you can see. It's never really had a proper home. I do love it. I just don't wear it often, hey? Maybe I should. I should wear it today. Kind of goes with my outfit, hey? Other things I like to wear often are like these headbands and these giant claw clips. They have to be giant to hold my hair. But I decided that I need storage solutions to have them here where it's easy to access. And for that solution, I found these. I can't remember whether it's off Shein or not. Probably, because I've been buying a lot of stuff from there. I've had these for a while, but it's time I put them up. It's just double-sided tape there. I'll show you where I'm going to put them and then let's see what it looks like with all my stuff up. So one is going to go roughly about here and the other one is going to go under that third step there, which I'll put it on and I'll show you after. Just peel that off. I want it sort of at the back there. I'll quickly do this one as well. There we have it. What do you think, guys? If you don't like it, too bad. I like it. It just feels a bit more organized and it's within reach, you know. I don't have to be going through drawers or walking around the other side to the other drawers, and those hats used to live in the drawers in this wardrobe. So now I don't have to be, you know, opening them, and that doesn't get squashed anymore. Actually, maybe I won't even need timber in that area. Maybe I could just put some hooks up here, hey, and hang my necklaces or something. I'm not sure. You know what? I actually have these left over. I just found in the drawers from when I hung our LED sign, like our YouTube studio sign up. So I'm going to put maybe 4 up here for now. Hang some necklaces on there that I wear often and see what it looks like. I love these 3M command hooks. They're just so, I don't know, so handy. And these little see-through ones are cute because you can barely see them. I changed my mind. I think I want to put it on this side that you can't see. That way, if I do decide to put something else here, maybe that wooden board I was talking about, maybe I could screw some shelves into it. That would give me extra storage again. I mean, I do have those small shelves that I was going to build the mini bar with, like 3 of them. I think that would be pretty good here for extra storage, actually. Ta-da! That's it. I decided to hang 5 up there. I think it needed odd numbers. I mean, I could put another 2 there, really, make it 7. I might do that in the future once I find a couple more necklaces wherever they are. Having things that I use every day when I get ready, like accessible right here, it's going to be so much more convenient and, yeah, quicker to get ready, I guess. And all my options are here, so I can look different every day because sometimes I'm too lazy to go and find stuff and get stuff. I just literally wear the same thing every day. But now getting ready in the mornings is going to feel so much more fun. So yeah, I've decided I will get like a bit of timber here and screw those shelves there. That way I can add more stuff. And if I can create a space for earrings as well, I like to change up my earrings, and same deal. It's just too annoying to go and grab and find and stuff. So yeah, that's all we have for today's video. I think I'm just going to end it here. Before we go though, I just wanted to see what this background looks like now that I've got the second whiteboard there. The thing I like about it is it doesn't matter if my video sort of goes that way now. Before it did matter because you could see, you know, what was behind there and it looked pretty bad. So now if my camera is pushed back and that is exposed, it looks fine, right? It actually makes this corner look so much bigger than what it is on camera there. To you guys, it might look like quite a large room, but for me, it's just a very small corner. Actually, one more thing before I go. I was hoping to have some news to share with you all today. In the last video, I mentioned that, yeah, I have new plans and I was hoping to share it on this video. But to be honest, I haven't had time to start it yet. So hopefully by the next video, I'll have something to share with you all. I'm so sorry for those that waited and was looking forward to hear it, but it's still happening, guys. It's just time at the moment, but I am getting there. I'm nearly there. It's yeah, I just got to do it. Maybe I can start it today and share it with, anyway, I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but I will take you all to say goodbye to Eddie since he never came down. So thanks heaps for watching, guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes from the last video. Hope you all have a great day or afternoon or night, wherever you are all around the world. Mwah! I'm just about to take you up to the loft bed to say goodbye to Eddie, and just in the corner of my eye, this looks so much neater. I mean, look at it. So a big thank you to those that have suggested it to me, if I haven't thanked you all already. Oh, Eddie, you finally awake. You want to say goodbye to your fans or what? You want to say hello and goodbye? You know, you never said hello, Eddie. You're so rude today, aren't you? So lazy, Eddie. I know. You're sleeping on your hairbrush like a pillow. Oh, you're so funny, Eddie. Look at him sleeping on his hairbrush. I'm not going to brush your hair yet. I've already brushed your hair this morning, Eddie. Go back to bed. Bye-bye. Give your fans smooches. Good boy. Good boy, Eddie.